So ang ibig ko sabihin, I want to inspire you to hitch your wagon to a star. Kung meron kang gustong, di ba, magawa, maisagawa, gusto mong mangyari, you are aspiring for something. Do not be tempted, you know, to take another route na hindi ka naman sure na sometimes it just feeds on your ego. Di ba? Kasi kung ego, masarap mag-DSWD secretary, nasa dyaryo ka palagi, etc. But I had other priorities sa akin. I was also family-oriented, you know? So, okay. Okay yun. Tapos, self-image. Very important yung self-image ninyo as social workers. How do you conduct yourself? How do you behave? You know, the words that come out of your mouth, of your lips. Carefully. Whether you are relating to a superior or a subordinate, kailangan ingat ka rin ng mga salita. The words you use at home, your conduct at home, your behavior at home, you cannot do that also outside of your home kasi hindi pwedeng komot subordinate mo, pwede mong hiyain, pagalitan ng gusto in front of everybody in the public and so on. At the same time, respect yourself, di ba? Bakit ka pinapababa mo ang sarili mo when you are with officials of government? I have watched social workers in courts na pag may kaharap ng abogado, yung lawyer nung kalaban, yung nag-victimize sa bata, what do you call that?
Perpetrator?
The perpetrator o yung accused, okay? May lawyer siya. Social worker, kung may lawyer din yung bata, bakit po ka ng pokon? You're a professional. So what is a lawyer? So what's a lawyer? You say attorney, call him attorney. Right? Why did you po? Hindi po. Mikan. Ano mga social worker? Wala nang gano'n kundi man po. Maski sa judge, you know, may yung honor ka na ng honor. Sus, ano ba naman yan? My husband is a retired justice of the Supreme Court. But I tell his staff, kung naman maya na lang nag-view your honor. Yung mga congressman, many of them are dishonorable. You call them your honor. Diba? I mean, ano na, you watch it. At saka paano kang, how will they ever treat you as equals? If you always treat them like superior to you. Diba? Kailangan, hindi ganun. Attorney, sabi ko kasi ganito, mag-present